What's going on, folks? It's your man Jay. So T-Mobile has slowly been pushing out updates, and it looks like they've finally gotten around to the G8. The G8 definitely is a phone that is one of my go-tos. I've been using it to record videos and just a bunch of different things. I really like this device, and so a software update is definitely something that they should do for this phone. So let's go into About here and see what the phone is running. So we are on the April security patch, and it's probably just going to be a software update to get it up to current status, which is what you want. I'm glad that they're pushing this out. I'm sure it's just a software update, no ifs, ands, or buts. As far as security patch, that's a good thing though, that companies, the OEMs, can get around to remembering devices. But overall, man, I've been running this same setup for so long. It's great. I've been running my favorite launcher, and just this setup right here. I've actually been using this phone to record a few videos on the channel, and it's been doing well. I'm trying out some new things. I got my new LEDs. I've already removed all the other LEDs, and I've got the office set up in a way that I think is really comfortable for me, and I'm excited about it. So just a real brief video. I don't know exactly if the phone is going to perform any better, but I do know that it's good to see them pushing out updates. Nothing more, nothing less. I haven't had any issues with the phone. I took off my tempered glass. I didn't really like how it looked. And then I've been rocking it with no case around the house. But when I leave, I've been pushing up the Ghost Tech. The Ghost Tech is really comfortable, not too bulky. I do have this case right here for it too, the same one that I have on. This is for the OnePlus 7 Pro. I do have this for the G8, and I just haven't been using it. I think the phone feels so good by itself. I don't like to wear cases on phones. I don't know if anybody out there, who else out there never rocks a case and never rocks a screen protector. Very seldom do I not have a screen protector, but there's no Whitestone Dome for this phone. And I've reached out to them before, and they're like, no, we don't plan on doing it at the moment. I don't know. It's definitely worthy to, and the reason this one is a good one is because it doesn't have a cutout for a microphone or anything. There's nothing on the front, so I would think they would be really wanting to do this device, but nope. They're like, nope, we're not doing it. So I'm like, that's cool. But I haven't found any. The only screen protector that I found actually took it off. Gosh, why did I do that? Because I was testing out another glass screen protector, and I took the good one off, and I don't have any more. So those $10, $15 a pop, it gets expensive. But other than that, man, literally no issues. But complaints, I really wish that they would remove the limit on recording in 4K at 60 FPS. I've moved it down to 1080p, but I really wish they would remove this 6-minute limit on here. It's super annoying. But as far as wide angle goes, I've been using this to sit right here and record wide angle videos. It's good. It's good. So the software update is probably downloaded now, and we'll get it installed. And that's a good thing. So yeah, it's installing right now. It's optimizing, and this should be a positive thing. So it's probably just a security patch update. That's all it is. That's all it could be. Oh, duh! Security update installed. I didn't even look at that, man. My bad. I'm human. Okay, I make mistakes. But yeah, there it is, man. A security patch update, and that's pretty much what it is. But the G8 is still rolling along. I've completed my LG V40 video. If you haven't seen that yet, be sure to check that out. And it is up and already. The V40 was sponsored by Perry Friedman. I appreciate him doing so. I've already shipped that device back to him. Didn't take very long because this phone right here is awesome. So I'm really ready to check out the V50. So if anybody out there wants to send me a V50 for review, I'll be happy to review it, and then we'll get that train going. But 5G isn't available where I'm at yet, and the LG V50 is 5G, which is kind of silly. They're rolling out 5G phones already, but that's a part of the game. So it's your man Jay. Quick video. Security patch is all the way in effect here. I'm gonna do some more reading, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.